Have you ever prayed for a miraculous software to help you create phenomenal videos with no fuss? Get ready. Today, your wish is coming true. You might have used video templates before. Whiteboard videos, slideshow videos, animated videos, etc. But found that your videos still weren't boosting your conversion rate? What do you actually need to boost your number of conversions? Well, I'll tell you. All those other videos lack one thing. They don't show the true you. It is you that people want to see. You are the person behind the magnificent ideas and amazing products showcased in your videos. People want to know you and your story. Yes, the latest trend in marketing nowadays is the story. A product story. An inspirational story. The brand story. Your story. You are the representation of your product. You should be the brand image of your products because no one knows about your products better than you. And to help you show your personal character on your videos, we have the software that you've always dreamed of. Introducing Magic Video FX 4.0, the most phenomenal video templates ever. Magic Video FX 4.0 templates can be used for any video making. It doesn't take a genius to use Magic Video FX 4.0 templates. We have everything prepared, done for you, all in one pack. All you need to do is A. Select the template you want. B. Edit the text or replace the video. And C. See how the Magic Video FX 4.0 makes your video more elegant, sophisticated, and phenomenal. Now, you will ask us, all video templates that you have owned before have the same comfort of A, B, C, simple method, etc. So why should you bother to buy these new video templates? Will they actually help to boost your conversion rate? Well, to answer your question, let's check our trailers. Magic Video FX templates. We offer you hundreds of ready-to-use animated slides, all done for you, with updated styles to make your videos catchier and more engaging. And, of course, to add that oh-so-critical personal touch. YouTube intro video templates. Dynamic intro and logo video templates with professional and elegant styles to present your brand. A professional brand presentation means higher-end markets, which will attract conversions way more powerfully than ever before. Motion Titles FX. This is done for you with motion titles that will add a dash of beauty and elegance to your video animation specs, all for no extra cost. YouTube Cover Templates. Our new style of YouTube cover templates will enable you to customize your YouTube channels, so they will look more personal, yet professional. Now, you can focus your online branding on presenting your videos to audiences. YouTube Thumbnail Video Templates. This template will help you increase viewers and reach broader audiences, while introducing your brand and establishing your place in the market. YouTube Outro Video Templates. And not just that, we have more. We know you want more. We will give you more. Yes, we have additional bonuses for you. Toolbook of multi-purpose video transitions. Do you want to enhance the appearance of your videos? We provide a bundle of transition effect animations to add professional effects to your videos. Toolbook of vertical videos. Music library pack. The possibilities are limitless. The choice is yours. You don't have to learn complicated video making skills. Hire professionals with ridiculous prices to create short videos. Fuss around and get headaches trying to make your videos look professional. We have done it all for you. All you need to do is click, edit, and export. No fusses, no high prices, no headaches. Furthermore, no limits. You can use the videos for your online or offline promotional aids. What are you waiting for? Buy now and get our special early bird price. You only need to click the button below and download Magic Video FX 4.0 templates today. The early bird discount will expire in just a few hours.